Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall BlockFi app and manage remaining balances. To uninstall the BlockFi app, begin by locating the app on your device. If you are using an iOS device, press and hold the BlockFi app icon until it starts to wobble. Tap the X that appears on the top corner of the icon. When prompted, confirm that you want to delete the app. For Android users, go to the app drawer and find the BlockFi app. Tap and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Select Uninstall from the options provided. Confirm your choice to remove the app from your device. Next, check your current balances on the BlockFi platform. Log into your BlockFi account via a web browser. Navigate to the Balances section to view any remaining funds. If you have a remaining balance, you may want to transfer or withdraw those funds. To withdraw, click on the Withdraw option. Follow the prompts to enter your withdrawal amount and destination wallet address. Review the withdrawal details for accuracy before submitting. Be aware of any withdrawal fees and minimum requirements. Once your withdrawal request is submitted, monitor your email for confirmation. Depending on the network traffic, the transaction may take some time to process. If you wish to contact BlockFi support regarding your balances, navigate to the Help or Support section on their website. Use the available contact options for any further assistance. After managing your balances, ensure your account security by changing your password if you no longer plan to use it. Finally, consider checking your bank statement for any pending transactions related to BlockFi. This will help ensure that all transactions are completed successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.